Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great and enjoying the summer months as much as I do. This video, summer has become a tradition on my channel, so of course I will also show you this year what I got for my birthday. It's been a while already since I turned another year older in July, and I'm a little bit behind with my content as cutting the travel videos takes quite some time. So without further ado, let's start right away with the first gift. I am starting with the biggest gift, at least when it comes to the box. I mean, how huge is this Celine box, you guys? It's gigantic. If you've been watching my previous videos, you might remember me talking about that Celine hat here and then that I also tried on in Bodrum and that quickly landed on my wish list. As it was sold out on the Celine website pretty fast, I was already regretting that I didn't get it right away, so I was even happier when I opened up this big box on my birthday. And here we have this beautiful masterpiece of a hat. If this is not the perfect summer hat, I don't know what is. I am just in love with the classic shape of it, with the black ribbon and with the little Celine Triomphe logo here. Super subtle, but still there. Let me put it on for you so that you can see how it looks on me. One thing that I have to say up front is you can play a little bit with the structure of the hat. So right now it's flipped upwards, but you can also flip it downwards a little bit, like this. So it changes its shape a little bit depending on how it looks better on you. I will show you. So this is how it looks like when it's flipped upwards. I think it looks a little bit weird this way, so I'm usually putting it down on the front, so it looks like this from the side. I'm not sure if you see the difference, but this is when it's up, this is when it's down, and this is when it's completely up. So it depends on what suits your face or your head best, but I feel like that this way it looks best to me. What do you think, guys? I absolutely love this hat. It's such a timeless summer essential, really loving the fit and the simplicity of it. A very classic piece and something that I did not have in my wardrobe yet. Next up, we have another summer accessory. I did not have any white sunglasses in my little collection yet and was looking out for the perfect pair, which actually turned out not to be that easy. With white frames, I feel like it's a little bit more difficult than with black ones, that they really fit your face. So I tried on a couple of different ones from Celine before and also from other brands, but usually they're quite bulky, and for my small face the white makes them look bigger than they actually are, so it's not that easy to actually find a good pair of white frames for my face. So I've been eyeing this pair of white Gucci sunglasses for a while and also added them to my Pinterest wishlist board, which did not stay unnoticed by my boyfriend. When I unboxed these sunglasses, it was a love at first sight, you guys. Have a look. They are so pretty. It's this pair of white Gucci sunglasses. I mean, from the front they're golden, but when you turn them around or when you open them up, they are white on the sides, or actually it's a creamy off-white, so it's not a very crisp white shade. It's a very warm white tone. So pretty. And then they have this little Gucci golden logo here on the side, and yeah, I just love the shape of them. Let me put them on so that you can see how they look on me. And they also come with those brown tinted glasses, which are not fully covering, so I guess you will probably see my eyes right now. It always depends on the light if they reflect or not, but they also give me a little bit of a retro vintage vibe with these brown glasses, and from the side they look like this. I think it's a really nice pair and a little bit different than everything else that I have in my sunglasses collection so far. So it was a perfect addition. Also, look at how beautiful this case actually is. So it comes with a black silky pouch and of course with a cleaning cloth. And on the inside it has this light blue silky textile, and on the outside it is black suede. No, actually not suede. How is this called? Velvet, right. Such a perfect gift for my birthday in summer. I've been wearing them non-stop since my boyfriend gave them to me. I'm absolutely in love. So in case you're looking out for a good pair of white sunglasses, I will for sure leave you a link in the description box of this video in case you would like to check these ones out, but I can definitely recommend them to you. Those of you who've been following me for a while might know that I already own a beige Toteme silk shirt, and now for my birthday I got gifted the matching shorts, so now I have a complete tone-in-tone set. I wore them straight away in Mykonos and I absolutely love this piece. They are so comfortable, so lightweight and so easy to throw on. Just another perfect piece for summer. Actually, all the gifts I got built the perfect summer capsule wardrobe together. So nice. Then we have something from Louis Vuitton, which I found on my birthday trip in Namos village on Mykonos. So let me show you what's inside. You can probably already guess by the packaging that this is swimwear. So let's open that up and show you this beautiful white swimsuit here. I love the strappy bag with the little golden details here and the subtle white on white monogram texture. The perfect balance of logo but not too loud. What do you think, guys? I absolutely love this piece. What I really like about this one is that you can also style it as a body or as a top too, because it's not the typical swimwear textile. I don't know, it feels a little bit different than my other swimwear that I have, but I can't really explain you why. Maybe it's just a little bit more matte and not that typical shiny material. And what I also really like is that you can adjust this with the straps. So if you want to wear it a little bit more loose, you can just open it up a little bit here. So this is actually very comfortable to wear. But it is also a little bit tricky to come in and out, I have to say. Next up, we have a little something from Hermès, and it is a beauty tool, and it's something that I was desperately in need of because I was using my old one for I think almost a decade. Oh my god, that's a long time. And now it started to slowly break down a little bit, so it was time for an upgrade. And this gift just came in the right time. So let's have a look inside. Comes in this little pouch here, and it is a lash curler. So now I can switch out my old lash curler with this fancy upgrade here. I love the design of this. It is so chic with the golden details and the little blue accent. Definitely makes getting ready in the morning a little bit extra luxurious. And in here we have some spare rubber. I'm not sure how you call this, but the squishy thing that you put on it that we had in blue. So you also get one in orange and one in white to switch it out once it gets a little bit disgusting. I mean, actually you can easily clean those, so I usually just wash them with water and a little bit of soap, and then they look good again. And then I also got lots of cute gifts from my friends, of which I will not show you everything because I think this video will get way too long otherwise, but I picked out some of the pieces that will probably be the most interesting to you. One of the gifts I'm actually wearing right now is this summery mesh polo shirt from And Other Stories that I got gifted from my style sister, who knows exactly what I love, as we have the exact same taste when it comes to fashion, to interior, to beauty, basically everything. The perfect piece for a quick and easy breezy summer look. I love it. I also got a matching beige hair clip, so cute and actually big enough to hold my long hair, which is perfect for the gym to add a little bit of glam while keeping the hair out of the way. My girls definitely know what I like, so I also got a couple of really nice beauty products, such as this one here, which is a nourishing lip tint by Dr. Amy Apa. Not sure if you know her, but she's a dermatologist and probably the most hyped one in Germany currently, and she recently launched her cosmetics line, and I've been dying to try out her products, so I was so happy when I unboxed this little lip product here. It comes with SPF 50, which is perfect for summer to protect your lips, and then a couple of other really nice active ingredients, which I'm not sure if I can pronounce them correctly in English, but I can read it out to you. It says postbiotics, ceramide, panthenol and peptides in a very nice natural pink tone. And then I got another lip product from Charlotte Tilbury. It is a plumping lip gloss from the Pillow Talk series. Let me take it out so that I can show it to you. Looks like this. Packaging says that this contains hyaluronic acid and collagen. Sounds very promising. And if you're wondering about the shade, it is called Pillow Talk Fair Medium, which is a beautiful, fresh, rosy, pinkish tone. I will include some detail shots that you can have a closer look. And this is actually also what I'm wearing currently, so this is how it looks on me. So now I'm all covered for the juicy lips for sure. I also got some nice coffee table books that I've been eyeing for quite some time. You probably all know those little ones here. I got the Chanel one and the Dior one, so cute. I think we all know that I'm a sucker for books like these, and I love diving into the history of those iconic fashion houses. It's so much fun to look at the old designs and ads from back then. I actually also have a couple of old advertising prints from Dior, from Hermès and from Louis Vuitton hanging on the walls, framed in my apartment. Another thing that I also can't get enough of is candles, especially when they are signed Diptyque. They smell so intense that their scent fills the entire room, even if they're not lit. So just holding this still packaged, I already smell it. It is so good. I actually have not seen this packaging design before. It looks very summery, like a little basket or something, super cute. I got the scent Tuberose, which obviously smells very flowery and very fresh and green. And let me smell a little bit more in depth. Maybe also a little bit fruity and milky. Super good scent, super fresh. This definitely brings spring into my house all year round, whereas the packaging actually already brings me a little bit into a fall mood, as it comes in this dark burgundy red jar. So good. And we have some more beauty treats. My girls definitely know what I love and stocked me up on my favorite body milk from Chanel. I love the fresh scent and the lightweight texture of this body milk. It's a long-term favorite that I always love to have in my beauty and skincare drawer. And then I was also gifted this cute ready-to-wear set for summer with this short-sleeved shirt and a pair of matching shorts. Again, super comfortable and easy to throw on. You are basically styled in 3 seconds. I've been loving these wavy scalloped hems this season. You might remember that mango dress that I got, which has a similar style. It looks so summery, I really like it. I will ensure to also insert some footage where you see how this looks worn on me. By the way, I'm sorry if the light has changed a lot and if you hear some noises. The weather started to change and there's a very intense summer rain coming down at the moment, but we are almost done. I actually just have one last piece to show you, which is a pair of shoes that I recently got. So this actually has not much to do anymore with the birthday unboxing, as I just got this for myself recently, but I still wanted to show you because I think I found the perfect alternative to the Loro Piana Summer Charm loafers for a fraction of the price. Let me open this up. The packaging is beautiful, by the way. I'm holding it the wrong way, but it comes with this beautiful flowery golden printed paper branded with Melvin and Hamilton. And these are the shoes. They are called the Aidly Free from a brand called Melvin Hamilton, as just mentioned. I've never heard of this brand before, I have to say. I just came across this brand when I was searching for something similar like the Loro Piana loafers, as they just are sold out literally everywhere. I visited so many Loro Piana boutiques over the past year or so, and I could never find them in any color, in any shop. It's really crazy. So I was super happy when I actually came across this alternative here. These are also made out of calf leather and come with a rubber sole, and they have those little charms here in silver. I really like the embossed logo, which makes them look a bit more unique. So in my view, they do not just look like a poor knockoff of the Loros. What do you think? They actually also come in a good selection of neutral tones. I think I had to choose between 5 different shades of beige. Some of them went more into the rosy shade, some of them had a more yellow undertone, and some went more into the gray direction. It was so hard to choose because they were all pretty. So you just have to check what works best with your wardrobe. I ended up choosing the colorway Suede Huiseau. I have no clue how to pronounce it, to be honest, but it ended up being the right decision, as this is like a perfect beige tone that is not too yellow, not too rosy, goes a little bit more into the gray direction, and I think it's really easy to style. So for me, this color was definitely the perfect pick. It is the perfect beige tone. Not too light, not too dark, just a very clean beige. And actually, I also had to sign up on a wait list to get a hold of this pair, but I saw that they had a big restock recently, and I think if you sign up, you will just get the notification right away and they come back regularly, so it's definitely worth the wait. I'm really impressed, and I for sure didn't expect them to be that nice. And with that, we've already come to the end of this video, and these were all the gifts that I wanted to share with you guys. A big thank you goes out to all my loved ones who gifted me with all those beautiful gifts, but even more important, who I always have the greatest time with and most beautiful moments filled with joy together. Love you lots. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Also, big thank you to you for following along. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming ones. Looking forward to see you soon in the next one. Bye!